Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we will see Mathemagic Workbook Standard 4th, and today we will see our 8th chapter, Carts and Wheels. Open the page number 110. In the previous video already we have seen the introductions of this chapter, Cart and Wheels. I have shown you the definitions of circle, radius, diameters, all that instructions I will show you. Today we will start our workbook exercise. Same question number 1, do as per instruction. Okay, here the instructions are given. You have to follow that instructions and do according to that questions given. Okay, see first question, draw a circle using a bangle. Bangle means here you have to take one bangle, okay, and you have to draw the circles using this bangle. See, this way you have to put the bangle and you have to draw the circle using this bangle. We have completed our first questions. Now we will see our second question. Question number 2, draw a circle using a coin. Means here what you have to do, take a coin. Okay, here I have taken 2 rupees coin and you have to draw the circle using this coin. See, this way you have to draw the circle using this coin. Now we will see our third question. See question, draw a circle using a pencil. Means here you have to use only pencil and draw the circle. See, this way you have to draw the circle using a pencil. Now see fourth question, draw a circle using a compass. Compass means what? See, take a circle. See, I have taken here the compass and see here measure is not given. So you can draw the circle according to your measure. See, this way you have to draw the circle using a compass. This way you have to draw the circle. See, you have to draw the circle using this compass. Now see the next question. See here, the question is asked that circle drawn from which object is the best. See, we have drawn the circle, this one, first one circle whichever we have drawn using a bangle, then coin, pencil and compass. Now see here, which one is the best here? Whichever we have drawn from the compass, that one is the best, this one. So here you have to write down compass. Okay. Now see the next question. Color the biggest circle red. See, first one which I have drawn from the bangle using a bangle, that one is the biggest here. So that circle here you have to color it with a red color. Now say next one, color the smallest circle given, given green. This one is the smallest one. So here you have to fill it with a green color. Now see main 2. See question, find the radius and diameter of the circle given below and from that tell which circle is a greater here. Here you have to find out the radius and diameter. Okay. See, we will see the first one. This one, this way you have to put the scale here. Here from this point you have to take a 0, okay, and see where is it? This line is ending in between 1 and 2. So it's a 1.5. The radius is a 1.5. Here first one, the radius is, here it's a 1.5 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so here you have to write down 1.5 centimeter. Here you have to write down centimeter. Why? We have measured in a centimeter. Now see diameter. Diameter means what? Diameter is the double of the radius. So 1.5 plus 1.5, it's a 3 centimeter. So write down here 3 centimeter. Okay, now we will see the radius and diameter of the second circle. Again, take a scale and put it here where its end. See here, its end here. It's only a 1 centimeter. It's a 1 centimeter. See here. So this way you have to use the circle also and scale also. Okay, so it's a 1 centimeter here. So write down here in a radius, it's a 1 centimeter. And diameter is the double of the radius. So 1 plus 1 or 2 multiplied by 1, then 2 ones are 2. So 2 centimeter. Now here what asks in the questions, and from that tell which circle is a greater one. See here, this circle number 1. Circle number 1 is the greater one here. So write down here in the answer, circle 1 is a greater here. Circle 1 is a greater. Now we will see the next page, 111. See, main 3. Write the name of the parts of the circle given below. In the previous video, I have shown you and I have discussed about the part of the circle. Which part comes? First of all, center, then radius, then diameter, chord. Okay. Now today from this figure we have to identify which part is here. Okay. See, number 1. First of all, we will see the circle here. This AB, line segment AB is the diameter here. Which one is the passed from the center? O. This O is the center, and this OC is also a radius. This AB also a chord also. Okay, which one passed from the center? This OA also radius and OB also radius. Now see first question. What is this O? O is the center. So write down here center. Now AB. AB is the diameter. So write down here diameter. OB. OB is the radius. So write down here radius. OA. OA. OA also a radius. So write down here radius. Now see, this OC, OC, it's also a radius. So write down here radius. Now see main 4, complete the table given below. Okay, for this table you have to complete this table, but before starting this table, I want to tell something that here you need a rough paper. So you have to take the rough paper here. See the table here, number, radius and diameters columns are given. See first one, 2 centimeter radius is given and 4 centimeter diameter is given. How this radius and diameters come, I will explain you. Okay, if first of all take, see here, don't consider this 4 centimeter. आपको ये कंसिडर करना है कि आपको डायमीटर यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, एंड ओनली रेडियस इज गिवन. ओके, नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. सी here radius in the first one, if only radius is given, that radius r is r for radius, r is equal to 2 centimeter and d is equal to, you have to find out. So this formula is, in the previous video I have also shown you the formula of diameter and radius, how you have to find out the diameter and radius. So d is equal to 2r, means 2 multiplied by radius. Here 2 is there and radius is equal to 2 centimeters. So आपको रेडियस की जगह पे लिखना है मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 एंड सेंटीमीटर इज गिवन, सो राइट डाउन सेंटीमीटर. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 4 सेंटीमीटर, 2 2 जा 4. सो आपका 4 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस डायमीटर आ गए. डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. नो सी, ओके, 4 सेंटीमीटर आ गए. नाउ सी, I will show you the second step. If here diameter is given, okay, it's a 4 centimeter, and you have to find out the radius here. Then what you have to do? So here you have to take the formula of radius. Radius is equal to d upon 2. D upon 2 means diameter divided by 2. Diameter is 4 centimeter, so 4 upon 2, and in 2 ones are table, 2 2s are 4. So 2 cut here and here, 2 2s are 4. 4 you have to cut down here. What's remaining here? 2. So is equal to 2 centimeter. Radius is equal to 2 centimeter. Again हमारा radius 2 centimeter. Now we will see the second one. Here it's a given that radius is a 3 centimeter and diameter you have to find out. So see, radius is equal to 3 centimeter and diameter you have to find out. So diameter is equal to question mark, and the formula of diameter is, whenever you have to find out the diameter, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by r. 2r. C is equal to 2 multiplied by radius is given, r is equal to 3 centimeter. So write down 3 instead of r. 2 multiplied by 3, here centimeter, 2 3s are 6. So is equal to 6 centimeter. What we get the diameter? Diameter is equal to 6 centimeters. So write down here 6 centimeter. Now see the third one. See, third one. In third one you have to find out radius and diameter is given 8 centimeter. So whatever given, first of all write down that d is equal to 8 centimeter, diameter is equal to 8 centimeter, radius is equal to question mark. Radius is equal to, radius find out करने की formula है diameter upon 2. So diameter is given, diameter 8, so 8 upon 2, and 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8. So cut 2 and 8 also, and here it's become a 4. So is equal to 4 centimeter. Radius is equal to 4 centimeter. So your answer is a 4 centimeter radius. Now see the fourth one. See, here radius is given 7 centimeter and you have to find out diameter. So first of all, whatever given you have to write down r is equal to 7 centimeter and diameter is equal to question mark. Diameter you have to find out. Here you have to use the diameter formula. D is equal to 2r and 2 multiplied by 7. Why 7? R for radius, and radius is equal to 7 centimeter. 2 multiplied by 7 centimeter. Here 7 centimeter is given, 7 centimeter. So write down centimeter. 2 7s are 14. So 14 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. So write down here 14 centimeter. Now we will see the fifth one. See here, radius is equal to question mark. You have to find out radius, and diameter is given 18 centimeter. So write down D is equal to 18 centimeter and R is equal to question mark. Here you have to find out radius. So use radius formula. Radius is equal to D upon 2. Diameter upon 2 is equal to, diameter is 18. So 18 upon 2, and 2 how much are 18? 2 9s are 18. So your answer is 9 centimeter. This radius. Radius 9 centimeter is your answer. Now see the sixth one. See here, radius 10 centimeter is given and diameter you have to find out. So r is equal to 10 centimeter and diameter is equal to question mark. Here you have to use diameter formula. D is equal to 2 multiplied by r, means 2 multiplied by radius. 2 multiplied by radius is 10 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 10 centimeter. 2 10s are 20. So diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. So write down here 20 centimeter. Now see main 5. See here, join the stars and dots given below and make a circle. Here in the first one star is given and in the second one dot is given. Nothing you have to do, just join it. See, this way you have to join the stars. Okay. See, this way you have to joining the star and make a circle. And here you have to join the dots and make a circle. Today we will complete up to this one only, and in the next video we will see the page number 112. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.